back to school season. I was on holiday until right before school started, so I got the stuff I needed this week. Here's my list of must-have eco-friendly school supplies. And don't forget your reusable shopping bag. I got my school supplies from 3 places. The first was the Replace on Danforth that sells sustainable products in Toronto. And I got a totally sustainable, compostable, hand-bound notebook from Stephanie Broadstep. And an adorable Potterybarn Canada reusable snack bag with critically endangered species on it for my sandwiches. The second place I went is Staples. I got Hilroy recycled note paper, Bic recycled plastic pens, recycled paper Post-its, and Crayola pencils made with reforested wood. Crayola also sell markers and crayons made with solar power. One cool thing about Staples is they work with Tetracycle to recycle your old pens. You could even make a collection box for your class. The last place I went was Amazon.com, where I ordered the cutest Aveeno eco-friendly plantable seed newspaper pencils. They cost about $80 from Amazon.ca. So if you're in the States, totally get them. And if you know where to find some in Toronto, please let me know in the comments. They are made with old newspaper, and they have little fruit and vegetable and herb seeds at the end, where the eraser usually is. So when you have sharpened it down to the nub, just put them in a pot and water it, and hey, you get cucumbers. I reused my binder from last year, but if you need a new one, these ones from Samsil Earth Choice are made from at least 59% bio-based material, including a cover made with sugarcane and recycled fiber boards. These ones are available on Amazon.ca. I also reused my pencil case. I mended my brother's that had a hole in it, but if you did need one, Potterybarn Kids makes a cute Save Our Seas pencil case made from recycled plastic pop bottles. Should be done. Yeah, there. Ta-da! For lunches, I take this bento box. This one is a laptop lunch from Indigo, a reusable water bottle. This one I got from Top 15. That's cool. And this cool utensil roll I got at Dollarama. It holds a bamboo, spoon, fork, knife, chopsticks, and straw with a cleaner, and I added a cloth napkin to it. Packed lunches are cheaper, taste better, and are better for the planet, especially if they're plant-based. If you've got one of those prepackaged lunch you buy at the grocery store, it causes a huge amount of waste. Our number one place to go for clothes is Value Village. No matter how sustainable a clothing line is, it's better not to buy new clothes at all. A good place to buy socks is the Great Canadian Sock Company because they've got lots of sustainable choices. If you know a good place to buy new sustainable kids clothes, please comment below. My mom got these new shoes for me for this summer. I admit I'm hard on shoes, and they're from Vessi, and they're completely sustainable. Super comfy, and best of all for me, they're waterproof. Backpacks are like clothes. The best thing to do is use the one you had last year, but if you need a new one, Roots has awesome ones made from recycled plastic water bottles. If you live more than a few blocks away from school, invest in a bike. You can find inexpensive ones on Facebook Marketplace. Don't forget a helmet. That way you can bike to school instead of driving. Bonus is you can hang around after school and play as long as you want, and no one is waiting for you at the Kiss Drive. Check out the links below for where to buy, and remember, together kids can save the world. Bye!